Hey watchers, welcome to another unboxing video of a mystery box. This time I have a Metalhead box. So when I signed up for it, they asked you your t-shirt size and your favorite genre, where you can just pick all, and that's what I did because I like all kinds of metal. So this is my first, it comes in a plain box like this, which is fine with me. I don't really like CDs that much, but the LP box, all you got was an LP or two LPs if you paid for that, and the regular box you get all kinds of stuff that we're about to see. Let's check it out. They did announce that they're going to have a premium box soon, so hopefully that will have the LP and all the other stuff that comes in the regular box. So we'll see. We're about to find out what's in here. Hopefully I don't slice it open with the box cutter. Don't cut myself either. All right. So, put this box cutter away. Box. Open it up. See, here's a t-shirt right on top here. And it's my size. And it says Slayer, reindeer blood. That's cool. Christmas shirt. The print on it is a little not great. Excuse me. It's kind of pixelated, and I think they were trying to go for that like stitched look or whatever. But I don't know if you could tell. Here, let me get a little closer. But like the print, I don't know. Probably looks a lot better from farther away than up close. But it'll be cool to wear I'll wear it on Saturday when I go to the Krampus thing. And this is fitting because Slayer, the band Slayer, just gave it up. So they say. We'll see. There, let me toss that over there so I'll know how to throw it in the laundry. Says a Metalhead Box exclusive 2019, and it's a Judas Priest tribute pen 20. So this is a cool from Judas Priest. Pen design by Mark Rudolph, markrudolph.com. It's a huge card for just one little pen. Got an action figure. This is actually really cool. This is from Reaction Figures. It's a Slayer, the Beast from Show No Mercy. Kind of a Baphomet kind of thing. It's pretty cool. The punch isn't punched out, so very cool. On the back, it's got the track listings for the Slayer Show No Mercy album. This is cool. Again, you know, Slayer just giving it up, so it's cool to get some Slayer stuff. And then we got some CDs here. Obsidian Kingdom. Mantis is the name of this album. It's a true musical journey and proves Obsidian Kingdom one of Europe's premier progressive metal bands. So, recommended if you like Opeth, Porcupine Tree, and Oliver. Well, I do. So, give this a listen on the way to work. We've got another CD here from Cronian. Yeah, Cronian. Right here. And it's the first true collaboration of the masterminds behind Borknagar and Wintersorg. Exclusive Digipack edition includes bonus track Full Moon Inferno. Recommended if you like Borknagar, Wintersong. Okay, sorry. I got interrupted with my alarm, so I guess that turns the video off. Anyway, so I'm not familiar with this. I'm not exactly sure what genre of metal this is, but I'll give it a listen. I'm thinking it, yeah, I'm not sure. We got a Municipal Waste patch. This is really cool. I like these guys. Got a cool Municipal Waste shirt with Trump blowing his brains out. His puny little pea brain. So, patches. Very cool. And, oh shit. This is actually super cool. It is a Tom G. Warrior autographed picture. That's really cool. It's a Triptychon. Is promoting Triptychon. Triumph of Death. Hellhammer, Triumph of Death. Nice. And on the bottom it says, please join me in supporting the following organizations for their valiant efforts against animal abuse. Wildlife SOS and Four Paws International. So I got a Tom G. Warrior autograph 2019. This is pretty awesome. He played at Wacken and I was not able to see him because he played at like 2 in the morning and it's a craziness. But very cool Metalhead box. I enjoyed this box and I'm looking forward to listening to these albums and, you know, doing cool stuff with this stuff. So if you're a fan of metal, check out the Metalhead box. So yeah, good deal. And if you're a fan of snacks, check out the Texas Snack Box. Go to texassnackbox.com. Thanks for watching.